Hi everyone. This video is in continuation to the nighttime skincare routine video that I had uploaded. A lot of you were asking about a good retinol cream that I would recommend for nighttime routine. So here it is. I usually recommend Ega. It is a retinol based cream and it also has vitamin K. So Ega has to be applied in the night all over the face, and slowly over a period of time you will notice that the fine lines and wrinkles go down. And I usually recommend Ega for people above 25 and who are looking for an anti-aging solution. So it is a good cream to avoid fine lines and wrinkles. But of course, if you have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, if you are 45 plus, then there are other formulations also and other cosmetic treatments also that one would need. Now, how do you apply Ega? Ega is to be applied maybe half pea size all over the face in the night. And if you have a very dry skin, then make sure you dilute it in a moisturizer. Also, make sure you don't go very close to the corners of the eye, the nose, and the corners of the lip. This is because these areas are relatively dry, and so there can be a little bit of irritation if you go close to these areas. And Now, like I said, Ega also has a vitamin K, and some of you may already be knowing this, that vitamin K is very good for bruises. So, when you apply Ega around the eye, also, you will see that the dark circles go down. So, it is actually the blood vessel part of the dark circles which is reducing when you apply Ega, and not the pigment component of the dark circles. What do you see when you apply Ega religiously? You will see that the texture of the skin improves, the quality improves, the fine lines and wrinkles go down, the open pores will go down, and you will see a little bit of glow also, which is because Ega causes a little bit of exfoliation of the skin. And there are certain things that you need to keep in mind when you're applying Ega, when you're applying any retinol. Firstly, since it causes a little bit of exfoliation, don't go very close to the eye corners and the lip corners. Dilute it in a moisturizer if you have a very sensitive skin. Make sure you apply a sunscreen in the morning, because most of the retinols can make your skin a little sensitive to the sun. And do not apply Ega if you're pregnant or lactating, because like any other retinoid, retinols are also not safe in pregnancy and lactation. Also, if you're planning to go for a parlor activity like threading, waxing, bleaching, discontinue Ega 2 days before your parlor activity and restart it only after 3 or 4 days of your parlor activity. And now, why do I recommend Ega? It is because there are certain things that I keep in mind before prescribing a particular medicine. Firstly, it has to be safe. So, I have not received any complaints regarding the product. None of my patients have told me that it is causing any kind of allergy or reactions. Although, if the skin is very dry, you have to mix it in a moisturizer. Also, it is important that whatever we are prescribing is economical, it is budget friendly for the patient. So Ega is around 1300 rupees, and but considering you have to apply only half pea size, it should last you for about 2 months. And a lot of you were also asking about the retinol that I apply in the night. So this is not the one. So if there are no budget constraints, if budget is not an issue, and if you are in a profession like me and you cannot afford to have fine lines and wrinkles, there are certain other formulations also of retinol which are superior in terms of texture, in terms of quality of the product, and in terms of results. So I'll be making a video very soon on the retinol that I am applying in the night. So keep watching.